Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to talk about something very useful. Why should we learn English? If you are just starting to learn English, don't worry. This video is for beginners. We will speak slowly and use easy English. Are you ready? Let's begin. English is spoken all over the world. In many countries, people use English to talk, even if it's not their first language. Do you know? Over 70 countries use English as an official language, and more than 1.5 billion people can speak English. So, when you know English, you can talk to people from many places like the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Singapore, and more. That's amazing, right? Do you want to travel? Maybe to another city or even to another country? English is very helpful when you travel. In airports, hotels, restaurants, and shops, people often speak English. If you know English, you can ask for directions, read signs, talk to staff, order food, ask for help. English makes travel simple and fun. In many companies, English is important. It is used in emails, meetings, interviews, and presentations. Even in small jobs like in hotels or shops, knowing English is a big plus. If you want a better job or promotion, learn English. It will help you talk to customers and bosses and work with people from other countries. English. More chances plus better jobs. Many books, websites, and videos are in English. If you want to learn science, computers, health, or anything online, you need English. YouTube, Google, and online courses often use English. If you know English, you can watch learning videos, read helpful articles, join online classes, study anywhere in the world. It's like having a key to a big world of knowledge. Think about your daily life. Do you watch movies, listen to music, use Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube? Most content is in English. Even your mobile apps and games use English words. Simple English helps you understand movie subtitles, enjoy songs, use your phone easily, chat online, make new friends. Isn't that fun? Some people think English is hard, but it's not. You can start with small words and simple sentences. For example, "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." "What is your name?" "Where is the bus stop?" "Can I help you?" These are easy and useful in real life. Practice daily. Speak slowly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. The more you practice, the better you become. When you speak English, you feel good. You feel confident in school, college, job interviews, and even in front of others. English helps you believe in yourself. Start speaking English today. Use simple words. Say them loudly. Repeat them every day. Day by day, you will grow better and stronger. So, friends, now you know why English is important. It helps in talking to people, getting better jobs, learning new things, traveling around the world, enjoying media and fun. English is not just a language, it is a tool for your future. So let's learn English together. We will help you every step of the way. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and share this video with your friends who also want to learn English. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye and happy learning.